guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how to prepare this turmeric face pack, which will instantly brighten, lighten and whiten your skin complexion and make your skin crystal clear, radiant, glowing, fair and spotless. This turmeric face pack is incredibly great in removing your dark spots, pigmentation, pimples, acne scars and will give you natural and within glow within just few minutes. So now let's see how to prepare this homemade turmeric face pack. So to prepare this face mask, you firstly gonna need gram flour, which is also called a basin, and you just have to take 1.5 teaspoon of gram flour in a clean bowl. Next up, you are gonna need turmeric powder or haldi powder, and you have to take 1 to 2 pinches of turmeric powder and mix it into the gram flour. Next, you need to squeeze half lemon into this mixture. Now after adding the lemon juice, now you're going to need olive oil, and you just have to add half a teaspoon of olive oil into this mixture. And if you don't have the olive oil, then you can also use whitening oil or sweet almond oil. And now to bind all these ingredients and make them into a paste, we are going to use 2 to 3 teaspoons of milk. Here I'm using the raw milk, but you can also use the normal milk or the boiled milk. And after adding the milk, you just have to give a good mix to all these ingredients so that it makes a smooth paste. And after mixing all these ingredients really nicely, your homemade turmeric face pack is ready and it will look something like this. And the consistency of this paste should be medium, which is neither so thick and nor so ruddy, and it should look something like this. And this much paste will be enough for one-time use, but if you want to store it, then you can also make a large bunch of this paste and store it in an aerated container for 1 to 2 days in fridge, and can use it all over your body, face, neck, arms, legs, wherever you have suntan, dark spots, or you want to lighten or whiten your skin complexion there. You just need this paste in your life if you haven't tried it yet. It has magical results. Just try it once and you will see it by yourself. And the correct way to use this face pack is just so simple. You just need to apply a thick layer of this paste all over your face and neck or wherever you want to apply this, and leave it to dry for about 20 or 25 minutes. And once it dried completely, rinse it off with normal water and pat dry and moisturize your skin well. And never step out in the sun after applying this face mask. You have to wait for 2 to 3 hours after applying this face mask before exposing in the sun. This gram flour and turmeric face mask is made up of all natural ingredients which are specially made to lighten and whiten your skin complexion and to make it more fairer, glowing, radiant and spotless. It has turmeric, which has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which will also help you in removing all your dark spots, acne scars and pigmentation problem. And it has milk and lemon, which has bleaching properties in it, which helps to lighten and whiten your skin complexion and to make your skin more fair, glowing, radiant, spotless and crystal clear. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.